past few weeks, we have been driving around Colorado and also hiking in some of the coolest mountain ranges, to driving on some of the scariest roads we've ever been on. Yes, the views have been amazing, and once we made it to the top, oh boy, it definitely felt like we were on top of the world. We also stayed in some of the most beautiful places, and it was so worth it. We also learned a ton about van life, and this video is going to be something a little bit different. Hi, good morning. Okay, so we are going to do a kind of a daily chores type of vlog while living in a van. I know a lot of the times when I would watch things on YouTube and stuff on van life, you always see like the highlights and like the amazing places that you go and all that. But I wanted to do something a little bit different today and show you guys the daily stuff that you kind of have to do while living in a van.
Just to let you know, if you are new to the vlog, we rented the van in Colorado and we are trying it out for the week, and we are actually headed back to Denver slowly because we fly out Saturday. And this is going to be the everyday life. So I'm going to make breakfast, Rachel's going to make the bed, and we'll probably do this in fast forward since it's not interesting. So
yeah, hope you stay tuned to kind of just watch all of the daily stuff on the daily chores and finding water, finding a place to shower, emptying out the toilet, and all that stuff that a lot of people don't really talk about. We're going to be showing you all that stuff. So, yeah. All right, let's go. So we are finding a place to take a shower. We are using the app iOverlander, and we actually have used this shower about a week ago. So we know the quality of it and all that, so that's really nice. So this is the app that I use to find a lot of stuff. It's so important. So I can exit out of here. So you just go in, you hit maps, it shows you your location, and then you can zoom in and stuff. And as you can see, there's plenty of spots right around me for camping and stuff. And then right over there, there's also another shower spot. But we are just going to shower at this laundromat because they do have showers. So when you hit it, it pops up that, then you just hit I for information, and then it kind of tells you a little bit of information about it, and then reviews that people have left, and a lot of the times it even shows photos. So this is crucial in my opinion.
it's really helped us out a lot with traveling.
Yeah. Are they open?
Yep.
Yeah! Alright, let's go take a shower.
Okay. We just got out of the shower. We came back to Willie Lala's laundromat. Great place to stop if you need a shower. So we're going to straighten up the van a little bit. We're going to go get some clean water, dump the gray water after we do dishes. Probably finish out our drive to Colorado Springs. So here's our cleaning of the van.
I would have never thought that this tiny little van could have so much dirt. Who would have known that this little tiny space would get so messy so quickly? Right, babe?
Yep, I'm ready to do dishes.
Okay. Tip for how we do dishes in here, because we don't have a hot water tank. Logan warms up
A little bit of water in the coffee.
The water in the coffee pot right over there, and does the dishes with hot water because a lot of the times it's just a lot easier that way. So that is how we have been washing the dishes, with hot water, to make sure that everything is clean and all that. So interesting, huh? The little hacks that you learn when you don't have a hot water heater. So this is what you have to do when you don't have a broom. You have to sweep with this little tiny thing. And it works. It gets the job done.
We are two messy individuals that drop everything on the floor.
Apparently. It just takes a little bit longer, but it's okay. And I can just see the comments now. Oh my gosh, she's on her hands and knees doing that. Like I can just see people saying it.
And we're about to use the Swiffer that's behind her, so don't worry, we're gonna mop it. I got all the dishes done. All I can hear is Benny Hill music while she's doing this.
Are you ready to see the under part?
Yep, just as we expected.
Is it bad?
It's not bad. Because you sweat before.
Could be worse.
Could be better.
Could be worse.
Could be better. All I'm doing is taking, this is our fresh water, this is our gray water. I'm taking the fresh water out. I'm gonna fill this one and this one behind me up with fresh water, and taking the gray water out, dumping it, and putting it back.
So that's what it looks like, right?
Mm-hmm. This will be different from ours. Ours will be 40-gallon tanks, at least.
And a button, probably.
Yeah. Because this can be a little bit of a pain. We didn't go through all the water. But it's good to go ahead and change out whenever you can, because you don't know when your next stop is going to be.
Yeah.
One thing I have learned is to make sure the hose is empty, because it will dump your gray water if you don't. Okay. I'm gonna go dump the gray water in the men's restroom, and I'll be back to get the fresh water.
Okay, so we have ran into a slight hiccup, but that's okay. Because we are here and apparently
Colorado season has closed.
Yeah.
All parks are
like starting.
They're shut down. You can still use the park, but
Yeah.
facilities are closed, and water spigots have turned off, and
Public bathrooms have locked now.
Yep.
So we did find another spot on iOverlander. It's probably like 2 blocks down the road from where we are now. So we're gonna go try there and see if this one is available. It says that it's a visitor center and it's a green spigot. So we're gonna try and go find another water source to fill up our water. So thank God for this app, or else
we'd be driving around looking for water.
yeah, for sure. Okay.
Right.
So this is where we were driving around trying to find that spot that we had just mentioned, and we could not find it to save our lives. And then when we finally did, well, this happened. Okay, we found water. Perfecto. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. This is interesting. So this is it. Very interesting, very interesting. This is where we're getting water from. I mean, it's free, so A+ for that. No water? Oh, no way. Yep, so no water. So, long story short, we actually ended up just ditching trying to find water and go to a brewery instead.
Alright, so it wouldn't be a Bridges adventure without going to a brewery or two.
This is it.
We found one in Colorado Springs. Was it Cogstone Brewing? I give it, beer-wise, I would say a solid 8.5.
Ooh!
They are fantastic. Did not screw up on anything. I even had a spice beer that tasted just like chips and salsa.
Like,
It
literally,
was
you could even taste
amazing.
the chips in it. It
Yes.
was spot on.
Tortilla, everything. And a little heavy on the jalapeno. Didn't care for the jalapeno, but that was it. Took me back to a Mexican restaurant dipping into chips and salsa.
For real.
So their pizza was good. It
was okay.
Their food was okay, but beers just Cogstone Brewing. You got to check it out.
And then I would probably rate it, out of everything, like atmosphere, food, and all that, I would probably, you're like wanting me to rate it so good. I would probably rate it a 7. And that's
pretty good. But I will let you know, they do deep fried beignets, or what Rachel calls beignets.
I do.
And they are, yes, beignets. They do powdered sugar, and they say chocolate, but don't get the chocolate. Anybody that's been to New Orleans says that you do just powdered sugar,
and that's it.
So fantastic brewing. Everything that we've had here in Colorado has pretty been spot on
And awesome.
So great job, y'all.
Okay, so to end off this vlog, we do have one more thing. We still haven't found water, but hopefully where we are going to spend the night tonight, hopefully they have water for us to get some. We only have a tiny bit left, so we just need to refill the jugs. And then we need to empty out the toilet. So we're gonna show you guys that and kind of what we do and all that, because we don't have.
We're not gonna show you what's in it, but we're gonna show you.
We're gonna show you the whole process. Yeah. So, okay. So we are going to show you how we empty out our stuff and the garbage. We in this rental van, we do not have a composting toilet, so the way we do it is very, very different. But the toilet
way we're going to do it is very, very different.
Right. But what I mean is, like, in this van, the way that we have been emptying this out is probably very different than if you have a composting toilet. So the toilet is right under here. So basically what we do, we throw the pillows up, take the mat off. Hopefully I don't die in the process. Yep, dying all over the place. Okay, so once all that is off, we just lift this up, and then that kind of goes like that. And then this is the toilet. So basically what this is just a 5-gallon bucket with a toilet seat on top of it, with bags that are actually meant to hold your waste. So every single time that we change it out, we do it probably, what, every other day maybe? ish.
Every third day, yeah.
Yeah, depending on how much we use it.
This is our third time changing it, and this is right before we leave tomorrow for Will.
Yeah, so we just take the bag, wrap it up, tie it, and then throw it away. So, and then we just put the new bag in. So I'm gonna spare you on...
I wish you could spare me.
looking at it, but I'm pretty sure you guys get the jiffy, okay? Okay, yeah. Oh, and also I did want to mention we do throw this away in a place that we can throw it away in, obviously. Don't just like leave it on the side of the road, okay? No. So these are the bags that we have that are actually meant to hold all of the waste. So this is what we have. It works pretty well for what we need. But yeah, in case you guys are interested, that's it. Thanks, baby, for throwing away all of our pee-pee.
Toilet kit.
You're the best.
And we went everywhere.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video. This is basically just the, I wouldn't even say daily stuff because some of this is daily stuff, but other things are just like weekly things on getting water, emptying out the toilet, and all that. So this is kind of what we have done, just to kind of, I guess, like the chores, I guess, of living in a van. So
this is what we've come accustomed to. We'll see what we create on ours.
Thank you guys so much for watching and following our van life journey. More will be coming, and thank you guys so much for watching again. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Okay, well that last little bit cut off, so I'm gonna just end it here. Logan already went in the cab because we have to go find a place to sleep tonight. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in our next vlog. Right, baby?
Right.
Are you gonna say bye?
Bye.
Alright, bye guys. We have a clean floor. We got like a full hour. We finally got